Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful and super easy beanie hat with front post puff stitches and front post double crochets. I made that for child size, but you can make this hat for each size you want. This hat a bottom-up hat, and we first make the brim and then start the body of the hat. I used a worsted weight yarn and 4.5 millimeters hook for the brim of the hat and 5 millimeters hook for the body. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work from the brim and first with smaller hook make a slip knot and then make 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These chains determine the height of the brim, and if you want to have a higher brim you can add the number of chains. Now skip the first chain and insert the hook into second chain from the hook and make one single crochet. Again, go to next chain, make one single crochet here. One more time, make one single crochet into next chain and then repeat that work. We have to make one single crochet into each chain of foundation chains. Now I have 9 stitches and make a chain, turn the work and start row 2. In this row we should make one single crochet under both loops of first stitch from previous row and then make one single crochet into back loop of next stitch here, not under both loops. Make one back loop only single crochet. Again, go to back loop of next stitch from previous row and make one back loop only single crochet here and continue this work and make one back loop only single crochet into each stitch of previous row. Now for last stitch we should make one single crochet under both loops, such as first stitch. Insert the hook under both loops of last stitch, not into back loop here, and make one single crochet. And row 2 is finished. Make a chain, turn the work and start row 3. For row 3 we should repeat row 2. Again, make one single crochet under both loops of first stitch, one single crochet into back loop of each of next middle stitches and one single crochet under both loops of last stitch, such as the first stitch, and row 3 is finished. Make one chain, turn the work and repeat row 3. Actually, we should repeat this row 2, that contains one single crochet under both loops of first stitch and last stitch and one single crochet into back loop of 7 middle stitches several times until the length of this band reach the desired circumference, and the number of these rows should be a multiple of 5. I made 55 rows of single crochets, and now the length of my stretchy band is enough for the desired size, and now I should join two sides of that together. So fold the band in half and put row 1 on the last row. Make one chain and join all stitches together with slip stitch or single crochet. I want to make single crochet for joining because I want to hide this tail through the stitches. Insert the hook under both loops of first stitch from last row, then insert the hook into first loop of row 1 here and grab the yarn make one single crochet. Again, go to next stitch of last row and insert hook into remaining loop of next stitch from row 1 and make one single crochet and hide this tail through the single crochet and repeat that work. 1 single crochet into next stitch of last row and next stitch of first row. And again, continue this work and make single crochet and attach each stitch of last row to front stitch from row 1 and continue until the end. Now, after joining all stitches, turn the band to right side and you can see this invisible join. And now I should start the body of the hat around this edge, the long edge of the brim. So remove the hook and continue the work with larger hook. Make 1 chain and start round 1. Make 1 single crochet here, then go at top of first row of the brim and make 1 single crochet here. Make 1 single crochet at top of next row of the brim here under these 2 loops. Again, go to the next row of the brim and make 1 single crochet at top of that into this hole. 1 single crochet at top of next row and insert the hook under these 2 loops from the last stitch and make 1 single crochet. And repeat that work. We should make 1 single crochet at top of each row of the brim and continue this work until the end. After making 55 single crochets around long edge of the brim, round 1 is finished, and make a slip stitch at top of first single crochet. And then make 3 chains as 1 double crochet and start round 2. In this round we should make 1 double crochet into each stitch of previous round. So yarn over, insert hook into next stitch and pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, go to next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2, and repeat that work and make 1 double crochet into each single crochet of previous round. Continue until the end. Round 2 of the body is finished, and I should make 1 slip stitch into the 3rd chain of these beginning chains. Now make 2 chains and start round 3. Yarn over, insert hook around first stitch, these 3 chains from front to back to front, and yarn over and pull through 2, pull through 2. This is a front post double crochet around first stitch. Again, yarn over, insert hook around next stitch and make another front post double crochet. And after that, make 1 double crochet at top of next stitch, not around the stitch. Now I want to make 1 puff stitch around next stitch. So yarn over, insert the hook around the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull through. Again, yarn over, insert hook around same stitch and grab the yarn, pull through, and repeat that work 2 more times. Pull a loop from same stitch. And now I have 9 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all of them. After this puff stitch, make 1 double crochet at top of next stitch. Okay, this is my work at the end of this repeat, and I should repeat these 5 stitches. Make 1 front post double crochet around the next stitch, 1 front post double crochet around the next, 1 double crochet at top of the next, 1 puff stitch around the next stitch, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and yarn over, pull through all loops, then make 1 double crochet at top of next stitch here. And repeat that work again. 1 double crochet around each of next 2 stitches, then 1 double crochet at top of next stitch, and 1 front post puff stitch around the next stitch, and 1 double crochet at top of next stitch, and continue this sequence until the end. At the end of round 3, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, not into this chain 2. Make 2 chains and start round 4. In this round, we should make 1 front post double crochet around each front post double crochet. 1 and 2. Then make 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet. After that, make 1 front post double crochet around next puff stitch. So yarn over, insert hook around the puff stitch, and make 1 front post double crochet. Then make 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet. Now I should repeat these 5 stitches again. 1 front post double crochet around next 2 front posts, 1 double crochet at top of next stitch, and 1 front post double crochet around next puff stitch, 1 double crochet at top of next stitch, and repeat this sequence until the end of the round. Okay, now round 4 is finished, and I made 1 slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet. And for start round 5, make 2 chains and repeat round 3. In this round, we should make 1 front post double crochet around each front post again, such as previous round. Make 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet, and then make 1 front post puff stitch around next front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, then make 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet. And this front post puff stitch is placed at top of this first front post puff stitch of 2 rounds below. Okay, and repeat these 5 stitches. 1 front post double crochet around next stitch, 1 front post double crochet around the next, 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet, and 1 puff stitch around next front post double crochet. 2, 3, and 4. Then make 1 double crochet at top of next double crochet here. And continue this work until the end. And after that, we should repeat these 2 rounds, round 4 and round 5. And continue making these 2 rounds until the height of the work reach the desired size. And at the end, I should make a crown for this hat and decrease the top of the hat. Okay, I repeated those 2 rounds, round 4 and round 5 more times. And now the height of my hat is enough, and I should decrease the top of the hat. Make 1 chain and 1 front post single crochet around first 2 stitches. Insert the hook around 2 stitches at the same time, and grab the yarn and yarn over, pull through 2. Now make 1 single crochet into next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Again, go around next 2 stitches at the same time and make 1 decreased front post single crochet. Then make 1 single crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. And repeat that work. 1 decreased front post single crochet and 1 single crochet into each of next 3 stitches. And continue this sequence until the end of the round. At the end, make 1 slip stitch at top of first front post single crochet and make 1 chain, and now make 1 decreased single crochet over first 2 stitches. Insert the hook into front loop of first stitch, and then insert the hook into front loop of next stitch and yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now make 1 single crochet into each of next 2 stitches. Again, make 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches, insert the hook into front loop of each of next 2 stitches, and yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2, then make 1 single crochet into next 2 stitches. And continue this work. 1 decrease single crochet and 2 single crochet. And repeat this sequence until the end. At the end, I made 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet decrease, and now make 1 chain and again 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches. Insert hook into front loop of first stitch and next stitch, and make 1 decrease single crochet, and then make 1 single crochet. Again, 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, and repeat that work until the end. And now for last round, make 1 chain and 1 decrease single crochet over first 2 stitches, 1 decrease single crochet over next 2 stitches, and we should make 1 decrease single crochet over each 2 stitches of previous round, and continue this work until the end till the circle at top of the hat become very small. And now the last round is finished. Make 1 slip stitch at top of first single crochet, and you can see this small hole at top of the hat. And now I should cut the yarn and pull this yarn, turn the hat to wrong side, and weave in this tail through all stitches of last round. Use a tapestry needle for this work. And then insert the hook into first stitch and next stitch. Again, insert the hook into next stitch from front to back and into the next from back to front, and pull the yarn, and repeat that work for next stitches, all stitches of last round, and pull the yarn, and now make some stitches at top of this hole to secure that. Cut the yarn and turn the hat to right side again. And after that, you can attach a pom-pom at top of the hat. And now my beautiful beanie hat is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. Have a nice day.